We're here at the range and we're going to set up the Bullseye camera system to sight in a 308 for an upcoming mule deer hunt. We've got the camera set up. We'll see all of our shots on the iPad. Now let's do some shooting. We're back at the bench. I'm about to take a shot. What's so cool about the Bullseye camera system is that I don't have to walk down range to see where I shot. It'll show up here on the iPad and will blink my last shot. All right, I am sighted in thanks to the Bullseye camera system. I'm Rihana. I'm an Under Armour Hunt athlete. If you want more information about the Bullseye camera system, go to bullseyecamera.com.